Good day, ma'am. We are your student. I am Cedric.
I am Brian.
Ngayon, ma'am, ipipersuade ka po namin bakit deserve namin magkaroon ng high grade.
Meron kaming mga dahilan na karapat-dapat at reasonable. Sobrang tigas ng aming dahilan. Parang kasing tigas ng concrete.
First, we work hard as a group. Hindi lang kami basta nag-aaral, but we also practice together and support each other. Kahit minsan, antok na at pagod, we still try our best to finish our task and understand the lesson. We learn how important teamwork is, kasi mas madali at mas enjoyable kapag nagtutulungan. Even when it was challenging, we did not give up and continue to push ourselves, showing dedication and commitment to our goal. Second po, ma'am, we joined the class and really tried to understand the lesson. Hindi lang kami basta nagme-memorize ng words or formulas, but we focus on learning how to apply them in real situation. While listening po, participating, and asking questions, mas naging clear and deeper yung understanding namin. That way, we realize na learning is not only for exam, but also for our future and everyday life.
Third, we respected our teacher, our classmates, and the subject. For us, learning is not only about exams, it is also about values that can teach us in many ways. As you can see, we made learning fun and creative. This video shows that we can combine hard work with creativity. We've been working really hard on this, and the fair grade would really motivate us to keep improving. Even your feedback means a lot to us, and we'd appreciate a grade that reflects both our effort and growth. We even tried to apply everything we learned from our lessons. Would you consider that in our grade?
Dapat deserve talaga namin magkaroon ng high grades. Dahil hindi lang namin gusto ito, dahil deserve namin po ito dahil pinaghihirapan po namin. Ayan po kami, ako nga po pala si Cedric, and
Ako po si Brian Karen Brisamo.